We're going to get started with the Bank on It unit. And in this particular unit, we're going to look at the major types of financial institutions, identify some reasons to use a bank, talk about the steps involved in opening and maintaining a bank account, describe the different types of deposit accounts, and identify additional bank services, and describe the main functions of the bank personnel. That is the overall unit. So today, for the first lesson, we're going to talk about what do banks do. So banks are a business. They are not a federal or government entity. They are a business. They are in the business of making money. And they are a business that offers a safe place to keep your money. They are also called financial institutions. They are one of many things that are financial institutions. We're just going to be looking specifically at banks and also credit unions right now. And they offer some other financial services. So why would you want to keep your money in a bank and not, say, under your mattress? The first way is because it's safe. So if your money is under your mattress, it could burn, it could rot, it could get stolen. That won't happen with your money in a bank. Your money in a bank is a smart and safe place for it to be. Convenience. When your money is in a bank, it's easy to get to. You can get to it with an ATM card at just about any ATM, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. As opposed to if it's in your mattress, you have to be at home in order to get it out of your mattress. And if you're not at home when you need the money, it's not as convenient. You can also use your ATM card to make purchases instead of cash. These days, it's getting less and less necessary to even carry cash. Cost. It is actually more cost effective to keep your money in a bank because you won't need to use a check cashing service when you get paid. You don't need to write a money order when you need to pay somebody else. So using a bank is actually more cost effective than using check cashing or money orders or other services. Security, like I said, it's a safe place, but it's also a secure place, which means that the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation insures your deposits up to $250,000 per depositor per insured bank. Because if the bank is a business, if they went out of business, you don't need to worry. Your money is safe. The FDIC will make sure that you get your money back. And it also sets you up for a good financial future. It makes sure you have a relationship with a bank, and it gives you a platform and a foundation for your financial future, especially when you want to start applying for loans. Now, there's two different types of financial institutions that we're going to talk about. One type is called a bank and a thrift. And a bank and a thrift is a federal institution, or a financial institution that operates within federal and state laws and regulations. You know it's a bank or a thrift if it is insured by the FDIC, and there's the logo in blue, the FDIC. The other type of institution that acts pretty much like a bank is a credit union, but it is a nonprofit financial institution that's owned by the people that are the members of the credit union. So if you join a credit union, you become one of the owners, which also means that to become part of the credit union, you have to qualify. So every credit union has different qualifications so that you can join that credit union. So you'd have to look at that there. And your money is also insured. If it's at a credit union, it's insured by the National Credit Union Administration. Quick quiz. Which one is which? Which one is a credit union and which one is a bank? Stars and Stripes Financial Institution is insured by the FDIC. It must follow federal and state laws. You can get a loan, a credit card, or open a checking or savings account here. Which do you think it is? If you said bank, you are correct. The great financial institution account holders requires account holders to be faculty or staff member or a student of a great university. The account holders are also the owners. That should have tipped you off that this is a credit union because the account holders are the owners. That's it for this particular lesson on banks. I'll see you next time.